In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add auto-anchored volume profile, quick and easy. We'll be doing this inside Tradingview, and I'll walk you through it step by step so you can follow along on your own chart. If you're on a different layout or theme, things might look slightly different, but the buttons and labels will be in the same places. First, make sure you've got a chart open for any market you want to analyze. Once your chart is visible, look towards the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is usually at the top toolbar, and it may say Indicators or Indicators and Strategies. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all of Tradingview's built-in tools and studies live, and it's the main way you add new analysis layers to your chart. When the Indicators window opens, you'll see several tabs and categories. Here, you want to click on the section labeled Technicals. This helps filter down the massive library of options into more focused, commonly used tools. Clicking on Technicals will narrow the list, so you don't have to scroll endlessly to find what you need. Next, inside the Technicals area, look for the Profiles category. Profiles are a special group of indicators that show how volume is distributed over price, rather than just over time. This is where you'll find different types of volume profile tools. Click on Profiles to expand it, so you can see the available options. Within the Profiles list, you should now see an option called Auto-Anchored Volume Profile. This is the specific tool we want to add. The auto part means Tradingview will automatically choose anchor points for the profile based on the chart's structure, which saves you time and guesswork. Simply click on Auto-Anchored Volume Profile once, and Tradingview will apply it directly to your chart. You'll notice a horizontal volume histogram appear along the price axis. This shows you where the most trading activity has taken place at different price levels. From here, you can hover over it, adjust settings, and customize how it looks and behaves to fit your style. If you're interested in getting more out of Tradingview, like unlocking additional indicators, more alerts, and extra layout options, check out the affiliate link for Tradingview Pro in the description below this video. It's a great way to support the channel while upgrading your charting experience. And that's it. You've successfully added the auto-anchored volume profile to your Tradingview chart.